I'm just at a Telstra site, so they've just upgraded with 5G, the microwave frequency. But I'll just show it maybe in the future. If the town have health problems, they might be able to know why. They can look back here. Springwood, nice town. Blue Mountains, New South Wales, Australia. Check out this baby. Now which one's the 5G mast? Or the base station? Probably the one under the longer one. Now, is that at a safe height from the people? Who knows? They're going to start 5G at 3.5 gigahertz, around there. Then turn it up to 28 gigahertz. That's nearly 7 times more than what it started at. Why don't they just go times 7 straight away? Why waste time? So they're just testing the waters to see how harmful it can be. It's funny how 5G some way takes oxygen from the body, from the cells. COVID takes oxygen from the body. The old bullshit in America recently, the old I can't breathe bullshit, Black Lives Matter, I can't breathe. It's all about oxygen. If there's going to be a world event where oxygen is reduced because of 5G, when they hit 28, what happens when 5G surges or spikes? Do you get fried? A power surge? What happens when 5G surges and spikes? Well, you just melt. Think about it. No one ever asked that question. What happens when it spikes? You only get more than the 28 gigahertz that it's currently going to be pushing in the near future. And the Satanic Church.